Greetings world. Welcome to the Conquering One channel. In this tutorial we are going to install Tool.aex. Tool.aex is a Kali Linux hacking tool installer developed by Dusad. With the help of Tool.aex you can install best hacking tools in rooted or non-rooted Android devices. In the Tool.aex there are almost 261 hacking tools available for Termux app and GNURoot Debian terminal. You can install any tool by single click. Okay, so first things first, let's install Git. Now let's clone Tool.aex repository. Navigate to the Tool.aex directory and install dependencies. For command list check the description below. Now Tool.aex has been installed successfully. It's playtime. Look at those tools. They are more than 300. Other than listing all tools, you can list them and install them by their category. So that's it for today. I do not condone any illegal activities. This is strictly for educational purposes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Tell them that I have remembered my YouTube password. Stay safe. Conquering One. Signing out. Peace.